Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fish dish. First, select high-quality fish fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick for even cooking. Popular choices include salmon, cod, or tilapia. Next, gather your simple ingredients: a good olive oil, fresh lemon, your favorite herbs like dill or parsley, and basic seasonings such as salt and black pepper. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or get your stovetop ready for pan-searing. There are several fantastic ways to cook fish, each offering unique textures and flavors. Baking is simple. Just place your seasoned fillets on a baking sheet and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until flaky. For a crispy exterior, try pan-searing in a hot skillet with a little oil, cooking for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Grilling imparts a wonderful smoky taste, requiring 4 to 6 minutes per side over medium-high heat. The right seasoning can elevate your fish dish from good to extraordinary. Always start with a generous sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor beautifully. Incorporate fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives for an aromatic touch. For a bolder profile, consider a simple marinade using ingredients like minced garlic, grated ginger, or a splash of soy sauce for about 15 minutes. Once your fish is perfectly cooked, it's time for serving and presentation. Always serve your fish immediately to enjoy its best texture and flavor, perhaps with a fresh lemon wedge on the side. Complement your dish with simple, healthy sides like roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a crisp garden salad. A final garnish of fresh herbs or a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds a professional and appealing touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.